In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make subtitles pop up in InVideo. We're creating dynamic, attention-grabbing subtitles using InVideo's built-in prompt feature, and the process is quick and straightforward. Subtitles that pop up are great for engagement, especially on social platforms where viewers often watch with the sound off. They also help emphasize key phrases and make your content more accessible. Start by going to InVideo. Once the site is open, you'll be working inside the editor where all the tools you need are available in one place. If you've used InVideo before, your recent and saved work will be easy to find. If you're new, don't worry. Everything we're doing today happens right inside the project workspace. Next, go to your project. This is the file you want to enhance with animated, popping subtitles. Selecting the right project ensures the subtitles are applied to the exact video you're working on, whether it's a short clip, a tutorial, or a social post. Choose the project you want to update. Click on the project to open it. This brings you into the editing timeline where your media, audio, and text elements live. Opening it directly is the fastest way to get to the tools we need. Now wait for the project to load. Give it a moment. Larger files and multiple assets can take a bit longer to prepare in the editor. Letting it fully load ensures the next step works smoothly and that the AI understands your timeline and audio correctly. Once the editor is ready, find the prompt box and type, "Make subtitles pop up." This prompt tells InVideo exactly what you want. Subtitles that animate onto the screen with a popping effect. The prompt box is designed to interpret simple, natural language, so you don't need complex instructions. Typing this phrase clearly communicates the style you're after. Click on Generate. InVideo will process your request and apply the pop-up subtitle effect to your project. You'll see progress indicators while it works, and then the subtitles will appear aligned with your audio or text content. The tool typically uses speech and timing cues to place the captions at the right moments, so everything feels intentional and polished. And that's it. Done. At this point, your video should display subtitles that pop up in sync with your content, adding clarity, energy, and accessibility without any extra manual work. This simple workflow keeps your focus on storytelling while the tool handles the heavy lifting. If you follow these steps, you'll consistently get professional-looking results with minimal effort.